Thunder E here, and today I am checking out the Nokia Body Plus and the Nokia Steel HR. Now I want to let you know, first of all, this video is brought to you by Nokia, and all thoughts and opinions are my own. Now I'm going to be doing a series with this. I'm going to do 3 videos in the span of 3 months using both the Body Plus and the Steel HR, especially with my workouts. You guys have seen I've started going back to the gym, been doing a lot of kickboxing, so I want to see how well I'm losing weight and also how well this is tracking, especially with a fitness scale here. So let's go ahead and start off first with the Body Plus. So let's see if we can find our lucky knife. Here we go. Boom. We can peel it off, but we can just always simply cut that. Careful using this at home, kids. Then you want to just gently open this, push this down, and then we can literally pull this out. Yes, we can. And Nokia. So, of course, the standing locations and LCD display. If you've got different feet, you can actually put on there. Actually, to cover up this, it's got 3M tape. You kind of cover it up that way. And then there's a reset button here. And you pull this tab, and that basically should have this ready to go. And you see it says hello right there. So that's it. I like it though. It's really nice, really slick. healthapp.nokia.com. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Set it up with the app, of course, the whole setup process. So they send us the Steel HR. They also send us 2 straps. So we've got a blue strap here, 40 millimeters. We've got a black one, an extra black one. Let's open them up just to see the straps first, because that's probably easier to do. Pull that out. So one is plastic, the blue strap is plastic, the other strap is leather. So we've got more for like an outing styled strap, while the other one is more fitness oriented. So you've got both of them right there. And then you've got your Steel HR itself. Let's go ahead and open this up. Pretty nice, nifty box. And then we kind of open it up, and that's our Steel HR. So taking a closer look at our Steel HR, we've got quick installation guide, which we can follow, box contents. Looks pretty simplistic. Set aside, we might use that later. Open this up, what do we have here? So we've got our charging dock, and we'll get to our Steel HR in a second. It looks like it uses inductive charging on the plate right there. Very simple, USB, easy to go through. Now we've got a black rubberized strap on the unit. We do have a leather one, so we can swap them out. They're easily swappable. But I want to take a closer look at our Steel HR for a second. So here is the unit. Really nice. It's got some really nice finish to it. You can see there's an LED indicator on the top. You can see the numbers around. There's a singular button here. Of course, there's a heart rate monitor at the back. And again, rubberized feel altogether. So I've got the Steel HR set up with the leather strap. I can switch it easily. Of course, it's a rubberized strap to work out. Also have the Body Plus setup, so I'm good to go. I want to hear from you guys what you think I should do, especially just fitness-wise, to maximize use of this, because as I mentioned, I'm going to do this as a series with 3 videos, so expect to see those. So leave those comments down below in the comment section of this video. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification icon to get notified of our latest videos, especially if you want to follow this series. So this is Thunder E saying thank you very much, and always enjoy your entertainment.